Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about customary units of measurement. Customary units of measurement are the units of measurement that we use here in the United States. They include inches, feet, yards, and miles. There are also different ways that we can convert between units of measurement. For example, if you take an inch, 12 inches would be equal to 1 foot. 3 feet would be equal to 1 yard. And then getting much bigger, 1,760 yards would equal 1 mile. But also 5,280 feet would also equal 1 mile. This makes sense because feet are 3 times as small as yards. And so as a result, there would be more feet inside a mile than yards. So let's convert between these units of measurement. And for the first time in a long time, I'm going to tell you that it is okay to use a calculator. So let's put this up top. Let's put my conversion chart. And there was also a conversion chart shared with you. So you should be able to use one for your reference as well. Let's do an example problem. I have 96 inches and I want to know how many feet are in 96 inches. Now, there's a little trick that I want to teach you for when you're converting from a small unit to a large unit, and when you convert from a large unit to a small unit. It's kind of a funny rhyme. It's called horse to fly multiply and fly to horse divide of course. Crazy, right? So when I'm doing horse to fly, I'm actually going large to small. When I do fly to horse, think about the size of a fly. I'm going from small to big. So horse to fly, multiply. Fly to horse, divide, of course. So let's take my practice problem. 96 inches to how many feet? Well, inches are smaller than feet, so I'm starting off small. So that would be starting off as the fly. Fly to horse, divide, of course. Aha, so now that I have my strategy, I know I'm going to divide. I just need to know what numbers to use to divide. Well, I'm going to start with my 96 inches. Oops. And then I'm going to divide 96 by the amount of inches inside 1 foot, because I want to know how many feet 96 inches is. So I'm going to do 96 by 12. Get that good old calculator out. Go on and use it. You deserve it. You have done so many calculations across the course of this year. So my answer is 8 feet. 96 inches equals 8 feet. Let's do another one. Let's do 18 feet equals how many yards? Well, let's go back to our strategy. Horse to fly, multiply. Fly to horse, divide, of course. Well, let's see. Feet is in the middle. It's not big or small. And yards also in the middle. But I do know that feet is smaller than yards. So I'm starting small and moving bigger. So that would be fly to horse. Fly to horse, divide, of course. All right, so I'm going to take my 18 and I'm going to divide it by the number of yards in, the number of feet in a yard, and that would be 3. So I'm going to do 18 by 3. Oh, and I didn't even need my calculator for this one. 18 divided by 3 is 6. That's right. There we go. So using this strategy, I want you to try your practice problems on your own. Try converting between units of measurement. I know it's going to become second nature to you pretty soon. Good luck, have fun, and I'll be checking in with you soon. Bye, guys.